Hey everybody, this is John at Simply Sprouts Farm. I hope you're having a great day. And this is kind of part 2 of our making your own chicken feed videos. I found a lot of misnomers and a lot of things online that I really didn't like. And so I decided to make my own. And this is working really well for our chicks. And wanted to share it with everybody out there that could use some input on how to do it themselves. So stay tuned on how to make your own chickie food. We're going to be mixing it up today. Okay, so obviously your base is going to be some corn. This time of year in the winter, you want to give them corn. And we got 2.5 pounds of this stuff. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put that in the bucket and keep on going. All right, so I probably should point out that some of the things you need, like we got a 5-gallon bucket here. And I've already put the corn in, and it's cracked corn again. And I'm going to go ahead and do some barley. And again, the barley, 7%. Got 2 pounds. Need a little scale and something to measure it in. Make sure you zero out your scale so that when the container is empty, it says 0 down here. On this one, you just hit the on 0. You hold this 0 thing down to zero it out. So we got 2 pounds of barley. Okay. Now we're going to put some wheat in. Wheat's 10%. Okay. 2 pounds of some wheat. Okay, so if all you add in is those 3 things, you've got really low protein. So we got to get on the comeback trail here. We've got 2 grams. This is white hulled oats from Asia Standard. And if you look down here, I'm going to emphasize this again because people are getting this wrong in videos. You got 15 grams serving size, and it's 4 grams of protein. So I think that's like 26%. Can't do it in my head, but I'll do it on paper at the end. But that'll start getting us back on the comeback trail. And I got 2 pounds here. I'm actually going to add 4. So I get this on Amazon. You get it in a 5-pound bag. It's hemp hearts, shelled hemp seeds. If you look on the back here, serving size is 30 grams. Protein is 10. So again, we're on the comeback trail here. We got 2 pounds of hemp hearts getting ready to go in here. I get these on Amazon too. Green split peas, Polish brand. These just look so good. I mean, some of the peas I get, they're not green. So, and again, this one's harder to read, but it's 40 grams. Or 13, which I believe is like 32.5% if I run my calc right, and I'll make sure. But that gets us back up, and it's 3 pounds 8 ounces, so it's 3.5 pounds going into the bucket. All right, so now we're getting down to some math. So I've already told you what the protein and the total grams per serving and the total pounds for each of these things are. So that's columns A, B, and C. So then column D, which is a protein percentage, you just take your protein in grams over your total, and that gives you a percentage, and you multiply that percentage by column C. So column E there is C times D. Then the 2 columns you add up is column C and column E. So column C, we have 16 total pounds. We have 3.436 of protein. So our protein percentage is a total 3.436 over 16, which is 21%, which is certainly a great mix for our chickies. Okay, folks, it's just a couple weeks later. I forgot to film the final part of this. Got all this mixed up, and the chickies are loving it. Try to give them a scoop every day or two to supplement, you know, just their regular layer feed. Works out really well. So anyway, this is John at Simply Sprouts. If you like our videos, please like our page, and we'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.